Do you want to supercharge your WooCommerce store with a seamless B2B wholesale setup? Today we are reviewing WooCommerce Wholesale Pro by Barn2, a plugin that promises to make wholesale selling a breeze. Whether you're a store owner looking to add a B2B section or just explore e-commerce options, this video's for you. We will dive into its feature, setup process, pros, cons, and whether it's worth your investment. So stick around till the end and let's get started. So what WooCommerce Wholesale Pro is all about? It's a powerful WordPress plugin by Barn2 that adds B2B wholesale functionality to your WooCommerce store. With it, you can create a separate wholesale store with custom pricing, user roles, and product visibility, all while keeping your retail store intact. No need for a second website. It's super beginner friendly, requiring no coding, and powers over 2,750 websites with a stellar 4.98 out of 5 ratings from 43 reviews. Let's dive into the key features that make WooCommerce Wholesale Pro a game changer for B2B users. First up, pricing flexibility. You can set global discounts like 20% off for all wholesale users or get granular with category-specific or product-specific pricing. For example, you could offer discounts on electronics but keep clothing at retail prices. It's all managed under WooCommerce settings, wholesale roles. Check this out. Here's how easy it is to set a discount for a wholesale role. Next up, product visibility. You can hide products or entire categories from retail customers or non-logged-in users. Want a wholesale-only section for premium items? Just toggle the visibility settings. This keeps your B2B offerings exclusive and professional. User management is a standout feature. The plugin creates wholesale user role, and you can set up dedicated login or registration pages. You can approve registrations manually for extra control or allow automatic signups. Plus, you can create multiple user roles for tiered pricing like VIP wholesalers getting bigger discounts. Shipping and payment options. You can also set role-based shipping and payment methods. For example, offer invoice payments for wholesalers but keep credit cards for retail. This flexibility makes the checkout process super tailored for B2B clients. Another nice touch is the customizable email templates. You can tweak registration emails to match your brand, making communication with wholesale customers professional and seamless. Finally, let's talk about the integrations. This plugin integrates smoothly with plugins like WooCommerce Product Table for order forms or other Barn2 tools, making it a great fit for complex stores. Now let's talk about the setup process. Setting up WooCommerce Wholesale Pro is a breeze thanks to its setup wizard. After installing and activating the plugin, you enter your license key, and the wizard guides you through the basics, like creating a wholesale role, setting pricing, and adding a wholesale store page. You can find all the settings under WooCommerce, Settings, and Wholesale. It automatically creates login and registration pages, and you don't need any coding skills. Let's talk pros and cons to help you decide if this plugin is right for you. Let's start with the pros. First, it's incredibly user-friendly. No coding required and the setup is straightforward. The pricing and visibility options are super flexible, letting you tailor the experience for wholesale customers. It's got a 4.98 ratings from over 43 reviews and 4.7 out of 5 on Trustpilot. So users love it. Barn2's customer support is top-notch and their documentation is detailed and easy to follow. Plus, it powers over 2,750 websites, so it's battle-tested. On the downside, it's a paid plugin, so it might be a stretch for small businesses on a tight budget. We will take a look at the pricing later on, so you will have a better idea. Also, the number of features can feel overwhelming if you're new to WooCommerce. Lastly, it requires WooCommerce to work, so it's not a standalone solution. So who is this plugin for? It's perfect for store owners who want to add a B2B wholesale section without managing a separate site. Think hybrid B2B plus B2C businesses or stores targeting bulk buyers. If you only need a basic retail store or want a free solution, this might be overkill. But for growing businesses, it's a fantastic tool. Now let's take a look at the pricing. And for pricing, we can see there are two types of plan. The one is one plugin plan and the other one is 2 plugin bundle. In the 1 plugin plan, you get Wholesale Pro only. Now this gives you access to the main plugin, and it's available for $199 per year. This gives you the wholesale user roles and registration, flexible pricing options, wholesale visibility options, but you won't get the order form layout. Other than that, you get access to all the features. If you want more site licenses or lifetime plans, you can simply click on this drop down, and here you can choose between the annual payment and the lifetime purchases. Now, the other plan, which is the 2 plugin bundle, this gives you access to Wholesale Pro plus the product table. So there's the bulk order form or the product table, they call it over here. You'll get access to this feature, and this is a really important feature if you're building a wholesale website, because your wholesale users will usually buy products in bulk, and this product table allows them to quickly purchase products in bulk. So it might be a really good idea to get this plan. Now, it starts with 1 site license, which is $249. Now, this saves you up to $49. And like the 1 plugin plan, you can click on this drop down and get plans for more sites, or you can choose the lifetime bundles. So these were the pricing. All right, let's wrap this up. WooCommerce Wholesale Pro is a powerful, user-friendly plugin that makes setting up a B2B store a breeze. With flexible pricing, visibility controls, and great support, it's a solid choice for scaling your business. Our verdict? It's worth checking out if you're serious about wholesale. In our past video, we compared Wholesale Pro with B2B King. If you want to watch that video, you can check our video description for a link. Head to the link in this video's description to try their demo and see it for yourself. If you found this video helpful, click on that like button, subscribe for more content such as this one, and drop a comment with your question. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.